Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check your watch time hours inside YouTube Shorts. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser and head over to your YouTube Studio. And once you're inside your YouTube Studio, go ahead and click onto your Analytics. And then click on the Content. Sometimes it glitches, so I'm just going to refresh this page and get back to you. Alright, then once you're inside here, you want to click onto Shorts here. And now this will give you the information about your YouTube Shorts. So I'll give you the views shown in feed, the likes and subscribers. And as you can see, there is no watch time on any of these tabs here. Now to fix this, there will be a See More button. Click onto that. So now what this is the advanced editor inside YouTube Shorts. Right here it's set to 28 days, so you can change the time frame. If you want to do it set to 7 days, 90 days, 365 days. I'm going to click on last 90 days. And now from here, click on the little plus icon here. And then you want to click on under overview, watch time hours. So that's what you've been searching for, watch time hours. And as you can see, you'll be able to see your watch time hours for your shorts. So currently sitting at half an hour, but I've hardly posted any shorts on this channel. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.